Hello, welcome to ISP channels. I'm Pradeep Sars. Come seconds within episodes. Very interesting questions, dear guys. Look at the questions. Exponential math solve. If 2x to the power 1 by 3 plus 2x to the power minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5, then find the value of x to the power 1 by 3. आपका ऑप्शन क्या है देखिए, 1 और -1, 2 और 1 by 2, 8 or 1 by 8, none of these. Okay, so look at the solutions. If 2x to the power 1 by 3 is plus 2x to the power minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5. So what is the value of x to the power 1 by 3 का value कितना है देखिए. Look at the solution very carefully. 2x to the power 1 by 3. Let suppose x to the power 1 by 3 पूछा है, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं, suppose this is a. Okay, so now here is 2x to the power 1 by 3, that means 2a plus, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2a to the power minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, because x to the power 1 by 3 is equal to a. So in the next step we can write 2a plus 2 times 1a to the power minus 1, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by a, because a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a to the power 1, that means 1 by a. Okay, is equal to 5. So in the next step we can write 2a plus 2 by a is equal to 5. Okay, so if you take the LCM a, here is a, 2a square plus 2 is equal to 5, or with cross multiplication, after cross multiplication we find 2a square plus 2 is equal to 5a. Okay, is equal to 5a. So in the next step we can write 2a square minus 5a plus 2 is equal to 0. Now apply the middle term. This is middle term. Okay, so split the 5a, 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so in the next step we can take common 2a common. So now a minus 4, here if you take common minus 1 is equal to, suppose sorry, a minus 2 here, a minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so now further we can take common as a minus 2 in both sides. Okay, so now 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. So this into this is equal to 0. Either this is 0 or this is equal to 0. So next step we can write a minus 2 is equal to 0 or a is equal to 2. This is the first value of a. The second case, here 2a minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2a is equal to 1 or a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is the second value. So we find the a is equal to 2 or 1 by 2. Okay, A means here A is equal to, first we take the A is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. So A is equal to 2 or 1 by 2. The option B is the correct answer. Okay, this question was asked in SSC CGL. Very interesting question. Okay, dear guys, enjoy this explanations. If you not subscribe the channels, subscribe my channels and share your friends. Okay, thank you, bye. See you in the next video.